What we're going to do, Si?
A lobster mac and cheese.
With a brandy flambéed lobster resting on the top.
Lovely. So, look at these. Now, we've blanched these beautiful lobster tails off, and what I'm going to do is remove the meat and give Dave the shells.
So I'm going to start to make the sauce. I need some butter and some olive oil to stop the butter burning. And I start by sweating down some bacon and some onion.
What is it, Russell, that you particularly love about Christmas?
On the BBC, the King's College Carols.
Oh,
that is a must.
Yes.
In much the same way that at New Year, I want the music from Vienna.
Yes, the Vienna Boys Choir.
You know, I love all of that because you see, long before I was an astrologer, I was at stage school and I did many, many shows like Fen Street Gang, Doctor in the House, on the buses.
Oh,
And
yes,
so I
of
was
course.
acting and doing all of these amazing things. I was in the West End with Tommy Steele in Hans Andersen. And I was in Tom Brown's School Days at the Cambridge Theatre in the West End.
So,
So my life is about music and dance.
Music, dance, and,
Dance.
performing.
Yes, yes. And panto, my first panto. Now, this is for the older viewers, so I am not including you boys in this.
Oh, he's a fella.
My very
He's a
first,
lovely fella.
1969 was with Ivor Emanuel.
Wow.
Land of Song. And I was at the New Theatre Cardiff in 1969.
Right.
And I played Alan Adale. And I had tights that were far too big. And I went forward, and the big hit of the day, which I was singing with Wayne Warlow and his orchestra, see how much I remember? It was all too much for my tights, which gradually crept down my legs and ended up round my ankles.
Oh, no.
But the first Llantwit Major Girl Guides loved it. And I got so many fan letters from the first Llantwit Major Girl Guide saying, "Oh, it is you with the wrinkly tights."
Oh,
And
nice.
that's what I remember most about that.
Now, I've just taken the beautiful lobster tail meat out. We're going to set that aside for the minute. And then I'm passing them over to my mate.
Oh, aye. The last thing we want to do is to waste the shells. So what we're going to do is make a lobster stock with some white wine, which is going to add to the sauce. And we just bubble through some white wine. Just leave it to simmer away, you know, for a few minutes. Now, these onions are sweating down nicely.
Whole milk. We're going to put that into a pan and I'm going to infuse this whole milk, which is going to form the basis of our mac sauce. I'm going to put a bay leaf in and then sliced onion. And it's a great time of year, Christmas, for showing off.
Oh,
isn't
it is, it is.
I mean, we'll love it.
Yeah, but what better way to show off than to do pantomime?
You're doing one this year, aren't you?
I am doing one, and I'm Captain Hook. Arr!
You are so Captain Hook.
Oh, thank
I
you.
played Roger the Cabin Boy in My Peter Pan.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, I better give this milk a stir.
Right, I better go on with this. Now, look, already that wine is starting to cloud up, and that's all flavour from those lobster shells.
Come and have a smell of this, Russell. Look, I'll bring it up here. Just have a whiff. You can smell the onion
it's
infusing.
too divine.
It's
Could you
lovely,
please hurry up?
I will, sorry. Now, we're chatting. You're a really interesting fella.
Now,
Well, the smells are wafting over here and it's quite delicious.
oh, it's going to get better. Now, my onion has sweated to a point of apathy, and I'm just going to grate a couple of cloves of garlic in there and some thyme leaves.
I love the word apathy given to an onion. An apathetic onion.
Well, we've had many years describing
I
an onion
am
now.
never ever going to forget that one, Dave.
So we've got the garlic in there, some thyme leaves are going in.
I love garlic so much.
Oh, it's a
good.
great.
Yeah.
Good for the heart and soul.
And it's warm, isn't it?
Oh,
Lovely.
love it.
Are you all right with a bit of spice, Russell?
Yep, bung it all
Right.
in.
Some English mustard powder and some cayenne pepper. Again, English mustard, when you put it in a cheese sauce, it just gives the cheese a
Well,
kick up
that's
the
your Welsh
backside.
rarebit, isn't
yes,
it?
it is, yeah.
You know,
Supercharges that-
Philly cheese
Absolutely.
and mustard. Lovely.
Now, with my roux here, I'm going to turn the gas off and I'm going to put in the flour. I'm just making a very basic roux. It's a great one to keep for a party because it's, as I say, if you told people you were doing a lobster macaroni cheese, it's like, oh, you naughty person.
Two of my favourite
Nice
things
big green
together.
salad.
I'd forget the salad, but I love this bit.
Now this is macaroni, it's been cooked as per the instructions on the packet. We've taken care to drain it well, because if you leave water on the macaroni, you're going to get a very runny sauce. And all this care we're putting in to making such a thick, luxurious sauce, it'll be lost. The milk's infusing, the lobster shells are just resting in the wine, and the roux, the engine room of the sauce, is done. So strain the lobster tails and the wine into a bowl. That's very precious.
And I do the same with the milk. So we're just straining the milk and separating the onion and the bay leaf.
Now it's time to get saucy. First off, we're going to work that milk into my roux. And if it goes super lumpy, then we can always take a whisk to it. The flavours in this are going to be fantastic. We've got the bacon, we've got the onions, we've got the cayenne pepper, we've got the mustard, but then we've got the lobster-infused white wine. Oh, matron. And then we've got Gruyere and Parmesan.
Matron. Now that sauce looks absolutely delicious to me.
It's getting there. At the moment, we could still lay bricks with it, but we're working on it.
Oh, I don't mind that, though. I like thick. It's like gravy. I like really thick gravy.
I do too.
Yes, but it should come by the spoonful, not the slice. Now, we're looking for the consistency of very thick cream, because, of course, when we get the cheese in, it's going to be even thicker.
That's one of my downfalls is cream.
Oh, I know.
I love cream.
There we go.
That looks gorgeous.
Keep working that till we start to cook the flour out. Now it's time for the extra treat, which was the white wine in which the lobster shells have been boiled. It's a really good old-fashioned lobster stock. So without the aid of a whisk, our lumpy sauce is looking pretty decent.
It is, Dave.
Show off.
I know, yeah.
Now, you've got to put the cheese in now. We're going to reserve some of the cheese to put on the top with a crumb topping. So say maybe this is the Gruyere, Parmesan cheese. That goes in. It's essential for all good sauce. Now we'll get the cheese mixed in with the sauce, then taste it and then season, because there's a lot of salt in the cheese and we don't want to over-salt the sauce.
Now, while Dave's doing that, look, I've cut the lobster tails and you want them at about that sort of size. What board games and TV did you watch when you were a little lad with all the family at Christmas?
Well, my Nanny Lily, was tremendous with those compendiums.
Yes.
Oh, the compendium.
You know where you've got 50 different games?
Those, yeah.
And
that was good value.
She used to cheat like mad. And I loved her for it because we all knew. She didn't think we did, but we all knew. And we used to put halfpennies down to see who could win snakes and ladders.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ludo.
Oh, yes.
All of these, and bingo.
Oh,
I mean,
of course.
imagine 3 people trying to play bingo. But she also used to like the horse racing, so we'd have to get our halfpennies out again. But she was lovely because she used to give us the halfpennies that she could win back.
Ah, brilliant. What fun.
Oh, that's great.
Well, this cheese sauce is more of a fondue now, which is what we want.
Perfect. Another one of my favourites, fondue.
Fondue. Again, Christmas, isn't it?
Lovely.
What's not to love? Oh, I love
We need to taste, Mr. King.
Yes, Mr. Miles. Carry on. It's epic.
You can taste the lobster.
Dude, I think that's perfect.
Are you keeping this to yourselves or are you spreading that around?
Well,
you get the... no.
God,
When you're showing off, we don't want to waste that maximum impact.
No, there's magic in the plate. You're going to have a beautifully served portion.
Well,
Right.
it just smells divine.
Now, the hero needs to enter the pan,
Okay.
put the fish in the pool. Oh, look at that. But it's extraordinary how much flavour has come from the shells into that wine and into our sauce. Let's put half the macaroni in, then the sauce, then the other half the macaroni.
While Dave's doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix the remaining cheese that Dave's left over. So that's our Gruyere and Parmesan with the breadcrumbs. I'm going to chop some basil through it. And that's our topping.
Now look. Look at that sauce.
Dave, that just looks like wicked.
It is wicked. It's
It's very naughty.
it's very naughty, very indulgent.
Fantastic. Look at that consistency. It just looks
Yeah.
wonderful.
Right.
Crummy up.
Now, this may look like quite a lot of crumbs, but it's worth it. It's going to brown, it's going to crisp,
Let's just dot with a bit of butter. Now look at that. Now just pop that into a preheated oven, about 180 degrees Celsius, for about half an hour, really until it's just golden. But we are showing off.
Oh.
We don't want you to have to wait half an hour.
No.
We made 2.
You're both delightful.
But the showing off is about to get worse. You can't have this quite yet.
Oh, no.
You may have noticed a lobster tail left over.
Oh, I see. I did notice that, yeah.
So what we're going to do, we're going to flambe this lobster tail. So we need a little bit of butter. The secret to flambe is the heat of the pan. So we take our beautiful lobster tail.
And lobster and butter, that's another marriage made in heaven, isn't it? Oh, look at that.
Now, and we just let that sizzle,
Look at that.
and up we go.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
It's a touch of silver service,
It's lovely.
you know.
Simpsons of the Strand.
Yeah, I love that when they bring the trolley to the table making the crepes Suzettes. It's all about showing off. Oh, Mr. King.
There we go. We'll take that off the heat. And then...
Oh, Mr. King.
This
put
is
that
called
on there.
style.
Now look. Oh, that's what we want. We don't want it runny or dribbly.
Oh, it looks
And that's laced with
beautiful.
lobster. Oh, look. Excuse my fingers. They're clean.
There we go.
It's hedonistic.
It certainly is. Well, there we go.
Look at that.
And there's plenty for seconds.
And there is your lobster
Are
mac
you
and
going to have
cheese.
some?
Yes.
You first.
I'm
You
diving
first.
in, look. Here goes.
Here goes.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas. Merry Christmas, Russell.
It's one. Oh, the creaminess that has come through the sauce.
Oh, great. Go on, get stuck into your lobster. Go on, give it a... Go on. Happy?
I've just been filming in Italy, and they have a word about good food. Perfetto.
Lobster mac and cheese.
An elegant dish that will definitely impress your guests.